What we've done tonight is we're having a look at what happens to a wine once it's in one of these large glasses compared with a small XL5 glass. Here we have about 100 ml of wine in one of these large Bordeaux style glasses. And because this glass is so big and it looks very, very frail, one tends to hold the glass by the bowl with the palm of the hand. And what happens is the body temperature is transferred from the body and into the wine, and the wine actually warms up relatively quickly. And of course you notice there's a lot more surface area exposed to the wine, so it's actually exposed to air and actually warming up quicker. If we poured 100 ml, the same amount of wine, into an XL5 glass, that's what it looks like, and that's too much wine to actually start swilling around and sniffing. We need, in an XL5 glass, around about 30 ml, which is around about that much there, and to taste we even need less. We need 5 ml, which is just a tiny amount, and that's how much we put in our mouths. So what happens when a glass and the wine is too cold? Basically the molecules are sitting still and they're not moving. So when you take a white wine out of the fridge or red wine out of the cellar and the temperature is far too cold, the molecules are actually sitting down there and they're not doing anything. Let me show you an old trick that a Chinaman taught me. We'll put some rice into one of these glasses, and you can just imagine that these rice pieces are in fact molecules, and this is a cold glass of wine, and the molecules, as you can see, are sitting there. They're depressed, they're at 8 degrees centigrade, and they're not moving. Now what happens when the temperature actually raises to say 15, 16 degrees? This is what happens. The molecules start getting active and they move around the glass, and that's what the nose picks up, all these volatile molecules that are coming through, and that's what you can actually smell, and that's wine at the right temperature. And there's the Chinese rice trick, but I've got to tell you, it doesn't smell too good.